Okay, hello everyone. Thank you for joining today's session. So today I'm going to cover one more important topic. This topic is related to MuleSoft and Apex. So we'll be covering a scenario how we can invoke a DataWeave expression, which is generally a transformation language that we use in MuleSoft. So how we can invoke that from Salesforce Apex. So let's see that in action. So this is my VS Code org right now. So you can see in the metadata right now for MuleSoft, we have created one metadata called DataWeave resource, and under DataWeave resource, we have created two files. One is csv to contacts.dwl, this is the format, and another is csv to contacts.dwl-meta.xml, right? So this is, in this particular file, I have written a simple DataWeave expression, and I have brought that DataWeave expression in the Salesforce server. Basically, in the Salesforce metadata, I have brought the DataWeave expression, meaning this DataWeave, which generally runs in the MuleSoft, this will be running in Salesforce server, application server right now. So this DataWeave, what it contains is, it takes the input records as application JSON and output it as application Apex. And we are using the map function here, and these are all the fields of the contact object, and we are returning it as class of contact, and we are returning it as object type of contact class. And this is the meta XML, which is simply we are providing the API version and whether it's global or not, right? So this is what we have done, and we have simply deployed this to our connected org. Now once we have done that, let's see how it works right now. So let's go to our org right now. This is my org, and if I see the code right now, so what I've done here is I've created here a map which is of string comma object, and in this parameter I am passing this or assigning this record variable with this JSON, where I am providing this first name, last name, email, as well as your titration. Now this titration is a custom field in my contact object. Now what I have done is I have taken use of this particular class, which is dataweave.script. So under dataweave.script, we have a method called createScript. So where we need to pass the dataweave name that we have given, the dataweave file name that we have given. So what it does is this loads the file. So once we have loaded the file, we have to use the execute method, and there we need to pass this parameter. And once we pass the parameter, the results that this DataWeave expression returns, this gets stored in the dataweave.result class. So once we get the result, we have two methods as a part of this dataweave.result. One is result.getValue, and another is result.getValue as string. So what I have done is I have used the result.getValue method, and whatever results I am getting, I am typecasting it to list of contact, because I am returning the DataWeave as list of contact there. I am returning the DataWeave as contact there, and that I am storing it is in list of contact. And once I get that, I am just debugging the contact. So let's see in action. So if I execute this anonymous Apex, what I see is I get to see this particular response, where I see I was initially passing it as first underscore name, last underscore name. So this got transformed by the DataWeave, and it is giving me the transformed response. So this is how we can invoke the DataWeave expression from Apex and get to see the results. Thank you. This is all which I wanted to cover. One humble request to you all: if you all like my content, please do share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.